Hisense TV Apple AirPlay. Hisense TVs with Apple AirPlay support allow users to wirelessly stream content from their Apple devices to the TV. This feature enables seamless mirroring of videos, photos, and music from iPhones, iPads, and Mac computers without needing additional cables or accessories. With AirPlay, users can enjoy a larger screen experience while maintaining high-quality resolution and smooth playback. However, not all Hisense TV models come with AirPlay support, so checking compatibility is essential before attempting to use this feature. 1. Understanding Apple AirPlay on Hisense TV. Apple AirPlay is a wireless streaming technology that allows users to mirror or cast content from their Apple devices to compatible displays. Hisense TVs with built-in AirPlay support make it easy for users to share content without requiring external adapters or smart devices. By connecting to the same Wi-Fi network, users can stream videos, play music, or even extend their Mac display onto the TV. 2. Checking compatibility of Hisense TV. Not all Hisense TVs support Apple AirPlay, so it is important to verify whether your model includes this feature. Hisense models with VidAA U or Android TV operating systems are more likely to have AirPlay capabilities. To check compatibility, users can look for the AirPlay option in the TV settings or refer to the product manual. If the feature is unavailable, a third-party streaming device like an Apple TV may be required to enable AirPlay functionality. 3. How to use Apple AirPlay on Hisense TV. Step 1. Ensure that both the Hisense TV and the Apple device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On the Hisense TV, go to Settings and enable AirPlay if available. Step 3. On the Apple device, open the Control Center and select the Screen Mirroring option. Step 4. Choose the Hisense TV from the list of available devices. Step 5. The Apple device screen will now be mirrored on the TV, allowing you to stream videos, music, and other content. 4. Troubleshooting common AirPlay issues. Sometimes users may encounter issues when using AirPlay on a Hisense TV. If the TV does not appear in the list of AirPlay devices, restarting both the TV and Apple device can help resolve connectivity problems. Ensuring that both devices are updated to the latest software version is also important for smooth functionality. If AirPlay still does not work, resetting the network settings on the TV and reconnecting to Wi-Fi may help establish a stable connection. Apple AirPlay on Hisense TVs offers an effortless way to enjoy Apple device content on a larger screen. With simple setup and wireless streaming capabilities, users can make the most of their entertainment without interruptions. Checking for compatibility and troubleshooting potential issues can ensure a smooth AirPlay experience on Hisense TVs.